So in this video tutorial I will show you how to use Google Analytics for Easy Video Player. So Google Analytics, it's a very huge platform, so there are, I don't know, it's very, I can't go through Google how to use Google Analytics. What I want to show you in this tutorial is how to use it for Easy Video Player. So if you don't know how Google Analytics works, the best way is to search online for some tutorials. It's not difficult, but it's not easy either. If you don't know what you're doing, get lost really fast. So to use it for Easy Video Player, first we need a tracking code. I'll show you where it is. Just create an account, and after it's free, and after you create the account, in the tracking info we can get the tracking code. So this is a tracking code, this piece of string. Just copy this, and in the constructor of Easy Video Player there's a property here called Google Analytics tracking code, and just paste it here. If you don't need Google Analytics, just remove this string, or remove the string and property entirely. There's no point to leave it there because it will send the event to Google Analytics and it will slow, but it doesn't need to be there. So once this is done, we'll go to home, and this is the video player. Let's refresh it. My internet connection is slow. Okay, so let's go first to real time and to events. So the video player will send two event types to Google Analytics. One, it's called played, which means it will show you which video was played, for how long, and some other stuff. And other one, it's for download, if the video was downloaded. So the real time is really useful because it allows to view actually in real time if the events are sent to the Google Analytics account. So I already made some tests here. As you can see, we have an event category called videos, and 4 sessions for played and 1 session for download. What this means that the video was played 4 times and downloaded once. And if we go into detail more here, we can see more info. As you can see, there is a string here which has the video path, the percent played, and when it was stopped, and if it was full screen. So again, this is real time, and let's go back to events for the last 30 seconds. There should be here some. Okay, here is the sorting. Just remove this, return back to videos. Let's go back to the video player. If the video player starts playing, we'll let it play for a while. Don't mind the page here, just a test page. I want to show you how it works, and we leave it play for about now, and just click stop. And if we look in real time, it should appear, so it should pop up now. As you can see, come on, it was here. So the event was sent, and if we refresh here the page, as you can see, now we have 5 sessions. I'm sorry, there is no need to refresh it because this is in real time. So the video was played now 5 times, and I don't know which one or this one event was, but it's one of these events. And now if we go to, let's download the video. As you can see here, there is just one downloaded for this user for this session, and if you click download, the video will download, and it should appear here. As you can see now, it was downloaded twice, and again we can see some details here in the downloaded section. It appears two events here because it has the same name and the path, so it is registered like this. So this is the real time. It's just useful to see if the events works and everything is alright. But everything is registered in behavior events. We can see a short overview. Don't forget to select the date of today, otherwise you will not see this. I don't know why the last date is never selected here, so make sure that you select the current date that you want to see. As you can see, you have here the videos category, and let's go to top events. But keep in mind that in this place it takes a while to register this event, so don't expect to have them here as soon as you click play, or like in real time. I know it takes between 2 or 10 minutes, it depends on they know what. So if you go into videos category, as you can see here, we have an event category which is videos. We have the total events, which is 6. There are more, but they are not yet registered. Unique events, and this stuff is you need to look into it. So if you go to videos, we can see that the played event was called 5 times, and the downloaded event was called 2 times. And if you go here, you can see in detail which video. You can see the video path, the percent play, the stop time. You can actually get an idea of the video, which video was played, for how long, when it was stopped, and if full screen is false. It's very useful to, I don't know, to see what's happening in your website with the video. And for download, where are you? Let's go back to the downloaded event. You can see which video was downloaded and how many times. In this case, as you can see, the video path is this, and the video name it's this one. It was downloaded twice. So every time a user comes here and clicks on it and plays it, you will know that the video was played, for how long, and so forth. And also how many times was downloaded. And also you will have access to the entire Google Analytics suite, so you can see from which country. For example, I'm not good with this, but we can give it a try. Not here. Let's go to active users. To be honest, I'm lost in Google Analytics. Anyway, you have seen how this is used. You can see everything here in behavior. Again, I suggest that you take a tutorial about this, because Google Analytics is a beast. It's a monster. It has so many features, so many. It's crazy what's in here. But the functionality, it's here. It's working, and I'll continue to improve this. For now, I believe that the download the event and the played event, it's enough. I don't see the point of anything else. But I'm open to suggestions. If you have any ideas, please contact me on private, and I'll continue to improve this. So yeah, this is how it works. It's really nice that Google Analytics offers this for free. So I hope this will be useful for you. Thank you for watching.